Hey guys, we're gonna do this video here. This is gonna be the hard and heavy assortment unboxing, full length, longer video unboxing before the demos start. So, first little cake, we have Terminator X 8-shot by Legend. Terminator X. I don't see a description on here at all. 8 shots. We will find out. Nanotech. I think I've shot one of these before. They're like really good for how small they are. Alternating with red and yellow palm trees. Nanotech. 8 shots. And then Extreme X. 8 shot. Just a few. They feel solid. Few small little cakes. Here's a really small one. Firepower. 6-shot cool. White glitter mine. This thing is tiny. And here we just have a Legend Poppet Snapper. Here we have Legend Happy Fireworks 49-shot. Here's a Garden Spring. I like these. I think they're pretty neat. Now we have a Galaxy Warrior by Legend. Legend Super Saturn Missile, 100-shot. Everybody knows what those are. You don't really have to have no description on those. Blue Stars with reports. Legend. A lot of Legend product in here. Here's another Legend Gold Dragon Fountain. This one is Incredibles by Pyro Diablo. Incredibles Fountain. This one is Mysterious Island Fountain by Pyro Diablo. Here we got... Is it gold? I'm not sure. Gloud. Dragon fire fountain. Here we have Galaxy Storm by Legend. Shoots flaming balls. Performance. Red mines to white strobe. Blue star. Red mines to lemon. Purple star. Blue mines to green. Purple peony. Blue mines to crackle finale. Sounds purty. This one is a Legend Galaxy Discovery 16-shot. Performance. White strobe mines to white strobe, red star. White strobe mines to green strobe. Purple star, white strobe mines to red strobe. White strobe mines to crackling. This one is Unrivaled Army by Legend. Spinner, Comet Tail to red, silver, blue, and brocade. Sounds awesome. Another Galaxy Discovery. This one is called Neon Cake by Legend. So, this assortment, wholesale, if you can get it wholesale, I think it's a pretty dang good deal. Around 150 range. I've seen them retail for about $3. So I'm not sure if they're worth about $3. I would say it's close retail. It's a lot of smaller 200-gram cakes, but this one is Master of Orion. 7 shots. I don't see a description. No description. Full Moon Night by Legend. 9 shots. No description on that one. And this one is Witch Shadow by Legend. 9 shots. No description. So we got all these small, a few fountains, some small little cakes, some fountains, and now we have a 4-inch can kit. So alone, retail, these go from like around 100 retail. So if this retails for 100, all these, I mean, I'd be more comfortable around 2 to 250 on this retail, but assortments can be hit or miss. I think this is a decent assortment because you get cans, a full 24 pack, and then granted they are smaller cakes, but we're going to see the performance because every bit of this is going to get shot. So stay tuned, guys. There will be demos on all of this. Thanks for watching. I hope you like these assortments. I'm going to be doing way more assortments. I want to highlight assortments and see if they're all garbage or if there's some that are worth it. I want to do a little bit more assortments, like maybe even some 500-gram assortment cakes and stuff like that. So more assortments to come.